Hello and welcome to the highlights of day number 1 between Professional County Club Select 11 and Pakistan. News from the toss is that Pcc 11 have won the toss and they are batting first. Two openers are out there in the middle and Mohammad Abbas will be operating from Pakistan. A beautiful delivery, they are appealing. Mohammad Rizwan looks absolutely confident, but umpire has nodded his head. He says that's a not out. Emilio Gay and Haynes are the two opening batters. Width outside off over the head of the slip fielder. This one goes away to the third man region for a boundary. First boundary of the innings and first runs on the board for the PCC 11. Mohammad Abbas, and that's a beautiful delivery. Outside edge, easy capped for the fielder at slip, and Mohammad Abbas strikes in his second over. First wicket for Abbas, a first blow for PCC Select 11. Khurram Shahzad then drills on the onside. That's a good shot. Good roll of the wrist on the onside. Another boundary for Haynes. He looks in absolutely sublime touch. Khurram Shahzad in once again through the offside between the slips and the gully. The ball races across the third man fence for a boundary. Second boundary of the over. Haynes continue his good form. Khurram Shahzad in once again with flashing blade through the offside. Gets another boundary. That's a third one of the over. Blistering start for the PCC 11. Khurram Shahzad in once again. Drills straight down the ground. Beats the fielder. This one races across to the long off fence. Make that another boundary. 4 boundaries of the over. That's an expensive one from Khurram Shahzad. 4 done. 34 no loss. Khurram Shahzad in once again. And Haynes, this time he drills through the offside. Flurry of boundaries for the PCC 11. And under pressure is Khurram Shahzad at the moment. Runs are leaking left, right and centre. Abbas in. Outside edge. Ryu has to go back and Mohammad Abbas gets a reward from bowling in consistent areas. He's been bowling with consistent line and length and he strikes once again. Abbas in once again to Haynes on the onside, on the pads. Easy picking for in-form Haynes and he gets it away with absolute flair. Another boundary to Haynes and PCC 11. Mohammad Abbas will continue his spell. Through the offside. What a shot that is. This guy possesses some power. Great balance, hands through the line of the ball, brilliant coordination, another boundary. Again wet, again flashing blade, another boundary. Haynes moves to 41 and struggle continues for Pakistani medium pacer here. Mohammad Ali introduced in the attack, over pitch delivery. Falkner dribbles on the onside and he gets a boundary this time around. So he joins the party with Haynes. Falkner and Haynes, they have built the partnership and they are continuing the momentum. Abbas continues on the offside. Once again, the width on offer. And he gets another boundary. Whenever you bowl outside off stump, you give any sort of width to Haynes, he's not going to spare you. Score moves to 62. Mohammad Ali continues. That's a loud shout. Umpire raises a finger. Seems to be pitching outside the line of leg stump. But umpire raises a finger. It's a big blow for PCC 11. Mohammad Ali strikes third wicket for Pakistan. Ali continuing. Falkner driven on the offside. He gets a boundary. Joins the act. Safzeb is a new batter in. And the partnership continues to flurry for the PCC 11. Amir Jamal has been introduced in the attack. This one goes through the slip and the gully region. Another boundary for PCC 11. The score moves to 81 with this boundary. Ubaid Shah introduced in the attack. Drilled straight down the ground. That's a very good shot. Brilliant timing on offer from Zeb. He gets his first boundary. That is a decent partnership building between Falkner and Zeb. Ubaid Shah continues. This time width through the offside. He gets another boundary. So runs continue to flow for PCC 11. And they are putting Pakistani bowlers on the back foot here during the first session. 93 for 3 at the end of 18. Ubaid Shah continues. A good short pitch delivery, but well guided over the fielder at slip and gully. The ball races across the third man fence for a boundary. Once again, width on the offside. Once again, hands through the line of the ball. That has been the key feature for Falkner's batting. He gets another boundary. And the struggle for the Pakistani pacemen continue. Khurram Shahzad has been brought back into the attack and he's been greeted gleefully by Zeb, who drills it down the ground for a boundary, taking the score to 131. Khurram Shahzad will continue. Once again played with the soft hands. Out to fielder, a third man. The ball goes across the fence for a boundary. Lightning quick outfield at the Buckingham County ground. Score moves to 136. Pakistan brings Salman Ali Agha in the attack. Reverse sweep attempted and gets another boundary. So runs continue to come. This partnership has been a vital one for the PCC 11. Runs flowing left, right and centre. 140 for 3. Sweeps and sweeps well. Zeb backward a square. The ball races across the fence for another boundary. Second one of the over. Score moves to 144. We're into over number 27. Agha continues on the back foot. Over the fielder at point. This goes for another boundary, adding insult to injury. And the frustrated looking Pakistani attack has been taken to the cleaners by these two young batters from PCC 11. Slightly overpaged through the offside again and gets another boundary. Zeb and Falkner are adding runs. Both of these batters have crossed the 50 runs mark. Khurram Shahzad will continue. This time again with through the offside. That's a very good shot. Brilliant balance. Hand through the line of the ball. He gets another boundary. Score moves to 175 with this boundary and the pressure is mounting on Pakistan. Ali Usman has been brought in the attack. A full toss. Dealt very nicely and the ball races across the fence for a boundary. Good start for Falkner and Beckinston is adding some runs as well for PCC. Mohammad Abbas has been brought in the attack. Outside edge. That's a soft dismissal. The batter looked absolutely shocked and umpire has raised his finger. Mohammad Abbas. It's a good comeback spell from him. He gets his third wicket. Abbas will continue. On the onside, easy pickings for the batter. Nice roll of the wrist and will get a boundary. The first one of the over. Score moves to 207. We're into over number 43. Muhammad Ali played with soft hands out to the third man region. But the outfield is lightning quick and this one will go across the skirtings for a boundary. 212 for 5. Short ball. Try to pull that one half-heartedly. Wicketkeeper comes underneath that one and Muhammad Ali has got his second wicket. 6 wickets down for PCC 11 and Pakistani bowlers are making some sort of a comeback here. 212 for the loss of 6 wickets. 10 is a new batter in. On the onside, right in the hands of the fielder. Back-to-back wickets for Muhammad Ali. He's been bowling consistently in the right areas, right channels. And he picked up his third wicket. We're going to see Muhammad Ali more often in the upcoming 3 weeks on this tour. Ali Usman will continue against Sales. Drills through the offside. That's a bad ball. Width on offer. Has made full use of that Sales and gets a boundary to take the score to 216 for 7. Ahmed Jamal has been brought in the attack. Width once again. That has been the poor area from the Pakistani bowlers. They provided so much width on the offside and on the onside as well, making full use of that, the batter on this occasion. Ahmed Jamal. That's an outside edge. But that's an inside edge rather. Wicketkeeper takes that one and Amir Jamal strikes. Pakistan have got their 8th wicket. 227 for 8. PCC 11, they are sinking down at the moment. Fisher is the new batter in. Again width, again past the fielder at point. Again this runs across the fence for 4. Boundary takes the score to 233 for the loss of 8 wickets. We are into over number 57. It had been a hard grind for the Pakistani bowlers. Once again over the top of the fielder. Once again the ball will go across the fence for 4 runs. The tail enders, they are adding runs for the PCC 11 and definitely adding some insult to injury for the Pakistani bowlers. Ubaid Shah has been brought back in the attack. Surprisingly, he's just been given 4 overs. He's into over number 5 and he starts the over with another boundary. Amir Jamal flicks on the onside. Fisher. Easy pickings for the batter and he gets another boundary. Score moves to 257 and the lower order batters are adding some valuable runs for PCC 11. Ubaid Shah comes in and giving him width off the offside and gets another boundary. 262 for 8. Poor bowling display from Ubaid Shah here on the day 1. 262 for 8 PCC 11. Ubaid Shah comes in again. Another short ball. Another beautifully disguised shot over the head of the fielder gets another boundary, taking the score to 266. What a valuable partnership this has been for PCC Select 11. Bachain, similar sort of a delivery, width outside off, easy picking for the batter, hands through the line of the ball. He gets it away to take the score to 280. Ali Usman, can he wrap up the innings for the PCC 11? Outside edge, safe hands from the slip fielder. South Shakil doesn't make a mistake. And wicket number 9 goes down for PCC, and a sigh of relief for Pakistan. Oh,
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम।
شروع نام سے اللہ کے جو بہت رحم کرنے والا بڑا مہربان ہے۔
قل یا ایھا الکافرون،
آپ صلی اللہ علیہ وآلہ وسلم کہہ دیجئے کہ اے کافروں،
لا اعبد ما تعبدون،
میں ان خداؤں کی عبادت نہیں کر سکتا جن کی تم پوجا کرتے ہو،
ولا انتم عابدون ما اعبد،
اور نہ تم میرے خدا کی عبادت کرنے والے ہو،
ولا انا عابد ما عبدتم،
اور نہ میں تمہارے معبودوں کی پوجا کرنے والا ہوں،
ولا انتم عابدون ما اعبد،
اور نہ تم میرے معبود کے عبادت گزار ہو،
لکم دینکم ولی دین،
تمہارے لیے تمہارا دین ہے اور میرے لیے میرا دین۔
بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم، قل هو اللہ احد،
اے رسول صلی اللہ علیہ وآلہ وسلم کہہ دیجئے کہ وہ اللہ ایک ہے،
اللہ الصمد،
اللہ پر حق اور بے نیاز ہے،
لم یلد ولم یولد،
اس کی نہ کوئی اولاد ہے اور نہ والد،
ولم یکن له کفوا احد،
اور نہ اس کا کوئی کفو اور ہمسر ہے۔
بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم، قل اعوذ برب الفلق،
کہہ دیجئے کہ میں صبح کے مالک کی پناہ چاہتا ہوں،
من شر ما خلق،
تمام مخلوقات کے شر سے،
ومن شر غاسق اذا وقب،
اور اندھیری رات کے شر سے جب اس کا اندھیرا چھا جائے،
ومن شر النفاثات في العقد،
اور گنڈوں پر پھونکنے والیوں کے شر سے،
ومن شر حاسد اذا حسد،
اور ہر حسد کرنے والے کے شر سے جب بھی وہ حسد کرے۔
بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم، قل اعوذ برب الناس،
اے رسول صلی اللہ علیہ وآلہ وسلم کہہ دیجئے کہ میں انسانوں کے پروردگار کی پناہ چاہتا ہوں،
ملک الناس،
جو تمام لوگوں کا مالک اور بادشاہ ہے،
الہ الناس،
سارے انسانوں کا معبود ہے،
من شر الوسواس الخناس،
شیطانی وسواس کے شر سے جو نام خدا سن کر پیچھے ہٹ جاتا ہے،
الذي يوسوس في صدور الناس،
اور جو لوگوں کے دلوں میں وسوسے پیدا کراتا ہے،
من الجنة والناس،
وہ جنات میں سے ہو یا انسانوں میں۔
بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم، اللہ لا الہ الا هو الحی القیوم، لا تأخذه سنة ولا نوم، له ما في السماوات وما في الأرض، من ذا الذي يشفع عنده إلا بإذنه، يعلم ما بين أيديهم وما خلفهم، ولا يحيطون بشيء من علمه إلا بما شاء، وسع كرسيه السماوات والأرض ولا يؤوده حفظهما وهو العلي العظيم۔
اللہ جس کے علاوہ کوئی خدا نہیں، زندہ بھی ہے اور اسی سے کل کائنات قائم ہے، اسے نہ نیند آتی ہے نہ اونگ۔ آسمانوں اور زمین میں جو کچھ بھی ہے سب اسی کا ہے۔ کون ہے جو اس کی بارگاہ میں اس کی اجازت کے بغیر سفارش کر سکے؟ وہ جو کچھ ان کے سامنے ہے اور جو پس پشت ہے سب کو جانتا ہے، اور یہ اس کے علم کے ایک حصے کا بھی احاطہ نہیں کر سکتے مگر وہ جس قدر چاہے۔ اس کی کرسی علم و اقتدار زمین و آسمان سے وسیع تر ہے، اور اسے ان کے تحفظ میں کوئی تکلیف بھی نہیں ہوتی۔ وہ عالی مرتبہ بھی ہے اور صاحب عظمت بھی۔
لا إكراه في الدين قد تبين الرشد من الغي فمن يكفر بالطاغوت ويؤمن بالله فقد استمسك بالعروة الوثقى لا انفصام لها والله سميع عليم۔
دین میں کسی طرح کا جبر نہیں ہے، ہدایت گمراہی سے الگ اور واضح ہو چکی ہے۔ اب جو شخص بھی طاغوت کا انکار کر کے اللہ پر ایمان لے آئے وہ اس مضبوط رسی سے متمسک ہو گیا ہے جس کے ٹوٹنے کا امکان ہی نہیں ہے، اور خدا سمیع بھی ہے اور علیم بھی ہے۔
اللہ ولی الذین آمنوا یخرجهم من الظلمات إلى النور والذین كفروا أولیاؤهم الطاغوت یخرجونهم من النور إلى الظلمات أولئك أصحاب النار هم فيها خالدون۔
اللہ صاحبان ایمان کا ولی ہے، وہ انہیں تاریکیوں سے نکال کر روشنی میں لے آتا ہے، اور کفار کے ولی طاغوت ہیں جو انہیں روشنی سے نکال کر اندھیروں میں لے جاتے ہیں۔ یہی لوگ جہنمی ہیں اور وہاں ہمیشہ رہنے والے۔